Understanding Cash Point, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unpack the meaning behind a very common phrase in the English-speaking world, cash point. Whether you're traveling, living in an English-speaking country, or just looking to expand your vocabulary, knowing what a cash point is and how to use this term can be incredibly useful. So let's dive in and get to know all about cash points. A cash point is a term commonly used in the UK to refer to what many others around the world call an ATM or automated teller machine. It's a piece of electronic banking equipment that allows customers to carry out transactions without the need for a bank teller. You can withdraw cash, check your account balance, and sometimes deposit money as well. But why is it called a cash point? The name itself is quite self-explanatory. It's a point, or place, where you can get cash instantly. Remember, when someone in the UK says they need to find a cash point, they're looking for an ATM. Now that you know what a cash point is, let's put it to use. Here are some examples of how to use the term cash point in a sentence. I need to stop by the cash point before we go to the restaurant. Can you tell me where the nearest cash point is located? I hope this restaurant doesn't make us pay in cash. I haven't been to a cash point all day. By listening to these sentences, you can hear how cash point is naturally integrated into everyday conversation. While cash point and ATM can be used interchangeably, it's important to know that cash point is more commonly used in the UK. In the United States, Canada, and other English-speaking countries, ATM is the more prevalent term. It stands for Automated Teller Machine and serves the same purpose as a cash point. Also, there are a few phrases related to cash points that might be useful to know. Cash machine, another term for a cash point or ATM. In-network cash point, a cash point that doesn't charge fees for transactions based on your bank's network. Out-of-network cash point, a cash point where you might have to pay extra fees for transactions. There you have it. We've covered what a cash point is, how to use the term in conversation, and the difference between a cash point and an ATM. Now you're all set to talk about banking on the go like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Keep practicing your English, and you'll be speaking like a native in no time.